Ice maker fan replacement. Disconnect power. Turn the ice maker backward. Remove the bottom screws of the front panel. Remove the front panel. Remove the ribbon cable. Remove the fan nut. Turn the machine to the back. Remove the back panel screws. Pull down to remove the back panel. Insert scissors tip into the slot and pry up to open the mainboard cover. Cut the wiring harness seam tie. Remove the hot glue from the thick black wire connector. Remove the hot glue from the fan wire port. Pull out the fan port. Cut the fan wire zip tie. Pull out the two fan wires. Press the switch on the fan wire. Pull out the wire at the fan wire switch node. Turn the machine to the front. Cut off the tape on the broken fan. Pull all fan wires out of the machine. Use a zip tie to fasten the two fan wires together. Thread the fan wire through the anti-vibration sponge. Install the fan screw. Connect the new fan wire to the fan port. Pull the fan wire to check if it is fastened. Fan port protrusion facing up. Insert the fan wire port into the corresponding groove on the mainboard. Pull back the port wire to see if it is loose. Use zip ties to secure all wires on the mainboard. Snap the mainboard cover closed. Insert the front panel ribbon cable into the display slot. Pull back the ribbon cable to see if it is loose. Install the front panel. Jump the machine. Install the front panel base screws. Attach the back cover. Install the back cover screws.